Today, I will talk to you about why the Constitution should not be changed. Today, we see several speeches that make us believe that the inequalities that exist in the country are due to the Constitution, when it is not will or should have thought some point, and even now that the Constitution in the country is the blame for social problem or economic qualities, and that is why it should be changed. I also that why until analyze it the reason. I am a doctor of political science, and I belong to a research and political analyzing team. I can inform you. With the constitution should not be changed, and there are three reasons: uh, political stability, economic stability, and social stability. So the first reason is political stability. By not changing the constitution, political stability is achieved. The regulation will be maintaining. The president of the Congress will leave office within and the established deadline. Mm, the second reason is economic stability. The constitution provides economic stability in the country. A change in constitution can generate economic generate, and we don't want that. Thanks to the constitution, where is freedom in the social market, economy, no. On the other hand, three is the third reason. Social stability. Social stability is one of the reasons that can be consideration with thinking about is about thinking the modification of the new constitution. The three reason is great democracy and respect of right. Inequalities are due to poor management by local, region, and central government. Thanks to constitution, the ombudsman was created to defend and promote people right. In conclusion, the current constitution has benefits for which it should not be changed. Mm, there are some points that can be improved in the constitution, but I believe the total change of the constitution will be not solution to the problem that our country currently face. Remember that thanks the current constitution, we have political stability, economic stability, and above all social stability. That those men make a country democratic.